everyone. Today we're going to be switching out switch module 1, which is this right here. First step is make sure you have the power completely disconnected. Double check by using a voltmeter, multimeter on your power sources, which are here and here. After you've established there's no power, you can start tearing this thing apart. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take the MC master controller off. Simply start by unplugging it. Here, here, and here. And now we're going to remove the 5 screws that hold it on. Okay, now this one has a pressure line with the sensor from the plenum, so be careful when you're removing it. I'll show you in a second. There's a connection here and here into the power module, and a connection over here into the fan switch itself, which is what we're changing out. So you pull from here and here, straight out, carefully. So now that we have this, we're just going to gently set this to the side. Now we have access to what we need to get to. First, you're going to flip it back this way, and you're going to remove these off of each switch. I cheated a little, I loosened them. Now that those are off, we can access the back, and we're going to remove the 4 screws that are holding it on. Now as you pull it straight out, there's a harness that's plugged in here and here. You're going to pull this harness out and this harness out. Okay. Now we're ready to put the new one in. Okay, now we're going to put the new switch in. There's these 2 harnesses that plug in. Here and here. Snap right in. Go. Okay, now you're going to line up these and put them through these holes carefully. And you also need to make sure you line up the lights down here into these smaller holes. Otherwise it will not adhere correctly to this. So as you can see, we're good on this side. And what I like to do first is to throw on one of these to secure it, possible, before I start doing anything else. Okay, as it twists on, just get it nice and hand tight for that one, and we're going to come back to here. And we're going to put the 4 screws back into the corners. Okay, now that's it. Now you gotta make sure you do the rest here, which I'm gonna do right now, and just make sure they're on tight. And next we're gonna put the MC back on. Okay, we have the fan switch in now, so we're gonna reattach the MC. Make sure you line up these prongs with the power switch here and here, and then right here with this fan switch right here. So plug those in, line them up, push them in. Should stay pretty steady, but we're going to put the screws in now. And once you get all these screws in, we're going to reattach the 3 harnesses. Okay, so here's one harness, 2,